Alright, let's continue for our service. Papasyal daw muna mga ka-alright. Galing na tayo dito sa Tainan sa tropa. So papasyal daw muna ulit. Ang ganda ng basketball court nila dito together with the KRB Alliance Group and also KRB Unity. Alright, chill rides again. Yo, 11:33 in the morning. This is me again, Aris from Aris TV. For today's rides, kasama natin yung ating Alliance KRB Moto Club and also KRB Unity. Dito po tayo ngayon sa Tainan. Sama natin mga bossing natin dito sa Tainan and Taichung. So stoplight again. Let's continue looking for something or someone or some. All right. Yun. Mga bossing natin simula doon sa pinakadulo hanggang dito sa atin. May taga-Tainan pa sa likod. All right. Ganda ng bridge na to. Tulay po kayo. Yun. Napakaganda mo pala, Tainan. We're going to Tainan City. Yun parang papuntang Taipei ka lang Yun tanaw na tanaw mo Ayan, mapapasin mo ka, alright. Galing doon sa dulo hanggang dito sa atin at sa likod. Puro KRB. Ayan, Alliance Moto Club and also KRB Unity. Alright. Grabe, nabot na ng magtatanghali na. Simula madaling araw. Rides pa more. Yun, ayun, dalang pamana. Yun Good morning pa rin. In this situation, pupunta daw tayo dun sa Chimay. Chimay ba? Hanap ng ibang magagandang pasyalan pa dito sa Tainan. Syempre kasama pa rin natin yung ating mga tropa pits na Alliance Moto Club and also KRB Unity. But the situation may be a little bit traffic. Little bit lang ba? Alright. Welcome to Tainan City. Baka motel yan. Tainan City na tayo mga ka-alright. Grabe. From Taoyuan City boy to Tainan City boy. Alright. Parang ano lang pareho lang naman ng mga itsura. Ayan, nasa Tainan City na tayo mga alright. Nahanap namin yung pwedeng pagpasyalan before we're gonna go home. But grabe yung traffic dito. Tsaka napakarami naming motor Alliance Moto Club, KRB Unity, Tainan City. Traffic din pala sa Tainan o talagang oras lang ng traffic? 11:47. Oras na ng break time ng mga galing sa trabaho o galing eskwela. Kaya matraffic. Kasya kami dito sa dami. Sa dami namin, di pa yata magkasya. Alright. We're having backs with Boss Wen Ed, the founder of KRB Unity. Stoplight and go. Ayan, dami namin mga boss. Traffic din pala dito sa Tainan. All over the world or all over Taiwan. In a rush hour is a traffic, Just stay relaxed, drive safely. Yun nga po, kakagaling natin kumain. Thank you so much Boss Rafi ng Tainan, membro ng KRB Alliance or KRB Unity. Masalamat sa tinulang isda, napakasarap kilawin. Nabusog Talaga, galing pa sa malayong biyahe. Pinag-prepare pa tayo ni Boss Rapi. Thank you so much, boss. So we're just having a chill rides here. Yo. Boss amo manager natin dyan na taga Tainan na mahilig sa motor o nagmumotor, dadaan lang po kami dito, boss. Alliance Moto Club and KRV Unity, padaan lang po kami dito sa area nyo, mga boss, ha. Medyo matraffic din yung area nyo, mga boss, pagka rush hour. Parang Taipei lang din. Alright, si tropa yung nasa harap natin na naka white helmet. Yo, yun ang nag-guide sa amin dito ngayon sa oras na to, dahil taga dito siya, taga Tainan. So siya yung mag-guide sa amin papunta dun sa area. Pwede daw pasyalan o museum ba yun? Thank you, boss amo manager. Hindi pa tayo makarating sa paroroonan, kailang stoplight na. Yun, sobrang lakas magpatakbo ng tour guide namin, nawala na daw ata. Sobrang traffic kasi kanina, kaya hindi makasaliksik, salaksak ng salaksak. Kaya tour guide namin, taga-operator yun, ayun, nawala. Dito maluwag-luwag na yung traffic dito. Aming Chimay, kompleto na yung tropa. Alliance Moto Club and also KRV Unity. Yo, mga power yan. 1:23 in the afternoon. This rides together with Alliance Moto Club and also KRV Unity. So it's afternoon ng mga boss, galing madaling araw, afternoon na ulit. So another place of destination na ulit, stoplight. Alright, dito tayo ngayon pa rin sa Tainan. So looking for another place to to visit. Grabe, time check is 1:44 in the afternoon, pero grabe pa rin yung traffic. Medyo malala rin pa rin yung traffic dito sa Tainan City. Kakadaan lang natin sa train station nila, tinan mo, usog-usog lang din. Parang nasa Taipei ka lang din, some part of Taiwan. Medyo tirik na yung araw, mainit na. Alright, time check, it's 2 o'clock in the noon. And po mga ka-alright, so medyo maluwag-luwag na yung traffic dito. And lalapit na tayo sa ating pangalawang destination na gustong puntahan, gustong pasyalan o picture taking with the Alliance Moto Club and also KRV Unity. So shout out sa lahat mga bossing, boss amo manager. Alright, here we are at the Tainan Salt Mountain. Pero may entrance entrance 50 per motor, sasakyan is 100. Alright, (3:33) in the afternoon. So we're heading back to our destination, first destination, Chunan. So let's get it on, mga. Alright, paubos na yung power. This is me again, Aris TV. So we're heading back to our destination, location pala. We're heading back to our location. Ang haba-haba ng biyahe na naman ulit. Alright, thank you so much sa nakasama natin sa rides for today. Alliance Moto Club and also KRV Unity. So thank you so much, at hindi naging drawing yung ating plano na rides para dito sa Tainan. Marami-rami, Salt Mountain and also ano, grabe namang alikabok na to. Continue. Alright, it's time check. It's 3:44 in the afternoon, so all of us are heading back to our location. So thank you so much for a safe ride. At tropang Alliance at saka KRB Unity. Alright, 5 hours to go. 5 hours, almost 6 pa nga. It's 3:51 in the afternoon. Situation, lumalamig na naman uli. Nagreklamo na naman yung mga tropa pits natin. Lumalamig naman ulit, kailangan naman ulit magdoble ng jacket. Winter na talaga no. Chill rides, 4 o'clock in the afternoon. We're heading away back to our location, taking the road of 61. So medyo matamlay na, paubos na yung power, and pasok pa daw kinabukasan. Daming camera dito tutok na tutok yung camera for overspeeding. Power talaga. Alright, mga dumidilim na ang paligid. Gawa ng kahit hapon pa lang dahil nga winter ngayon, o magwi-winter na, medyo parang makulimlim na ewan. So speed limit natin mga ka-ride 60, 50, 60 lang. So 5 hours, sobra pa yung biyahe natin, pero speed limit natin 50, 60. Ride safe. Alright, na ng dagat malakas nga lang yung hangin, dami sigurong isda dyan. Napakalawak ng kalsada, napaka straight, pero hindi uso yung top speed sa mga tropa. Maintain 50-60 lang yung takbo para ride safe daw. Alright, 16, 17, alas 4:17 ng hapon. This is me again. Grabe, sulit yung pagod, sulit yung rides. 5 hours to go, going back to our location. Thank you so much sa panonood ng videos natin, and thank you so much sa nakasama natin sa rides for today. Alliance Moto Club and also KRB Unity. Alright, taking the road up. Alright, takbo 70, 60, 50. Right, alas 4:34. 34, alas 4:34 daw. It's 4:34 in the afternoon mga ka-alright, heading away back to our location. Medyo malamig na in this area, so we need to find some gas or gas station for the fuel. So speed is 50, 60. Ride chill ride. 16:43 in the afternoon, alas 4:43. The problem is some of our car ride is out of gas. We need to find some gas. We need to find some gas or gas station. Alright, haba ng kalsada, ganda ng spalto, parang bagong lagay pa lang. Haba ng kalsada, pwede mag top speed, but our friends is riding safe. So chill ride, takbo 50, 60. Alright. 5:01 in the afternoon mga ka-alright situation. Tapos na tayo magpag-gas, full tank na naman ulit. We're heading back to Road 61 again para makapag kway-kway ba? Kway-kway. Kway-kway. Full tank na ulit yung ating mga Busamo manager. So let's get it on. Turn right and turn right. Turn right. Alright, it's 17:21 in the afternoon. Madilim na mga ka-alright. Sitwasyon natin for today. Heading away to Road 61 again. So, madilim na. And thank you so much sa panunood ng videos natin. Alright. Until to our next ride. Power. Alright, it's 5:33 in the afternoon. Pero madilim na talaga mga ka-alright. So, situation natin, we're heading away with 4 hours and 30 minutes para sa ating location. So, takbo natin is 60. Chill ride. So, thank you so much mga ka-alright. Until to our next video. Alright. So as always mga boss mo, managers na nakasama din sa rides for today, Alliance Moto Club and also KRV Unity. Thank you so much for this ride and for this day. Until to our next ride, good evening and salamat. Gabi na, madilim na talaga. So it's 4 hours and 30 minutes to go. Going back to our destination and location and mga ibang mga precaution. Thank you so much.